Hello again and welcome to another video review, and today we're looking at this lovely 2014 Skoda Octavia Elegance TDi Estate, finished in the silver with the alloy wheels. Very nice looking car. It's got the suede and leather seats, all nice and clean inside. Plenty of room in the back. Decent sized car. It's got the parking sensors. Nice big load area. It's also got the split level floor, and under there it's got the full-size spare wheel, jack and tools, including the all-important locking wheel nut tool. In fact, I think we've got two of these for this car, which is even better. Let's take a quick look at the bodywork. There's a couple of minor blemishes on the driver's door there, very slight. A little bit of stone chipping on the bonnet, again very slight. And some slight grazing in the lacquer on the front bumper there. So there you go, very nice looking car. Let's just take a look inside. You've got front and rear electric windows, electric and heated door mirrors, which also fold in. $80,000 miles with a full service history with that, and it's had the cam belt done. DAB radio, also got the sat nav option, traffic reports, and then you've got all the menu selection on there, which you can scroll through. Touch screen, connect your Bluetooth device as well. So yeah, some good features in that touchscreen unit. It's got the digital climate control, air conditioning, auxiliary and USB inputs, 6-speed manual gearbox. It's got the drive mode selection as well from this button here. Self-explanatory. Conventional handbrake. This is the locking wheel nut tool. For some reason we've got two of those. This Skoda multimedia unit there. The SD card, one of those will be for the nav and the other one is whatever you want to put in there. Steering wheel mounted controls, Bluetooth controls on this side. It's also got the cruise control, which you can operate from this button here. It's useful if you're driving on the motorway. Like I say, it comes with full service history, 2 remote keys, everything should be with it, it's with it. Very smart looking car, very well looked after. So there you go, if you're looking for a nice estate car, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.